So next I want to set my depth gauge on this. You can imagine, I'm hopefully I'm getting this on camera. So I need to set the depth gauge on this so that it only cuts the depth of this when I'm cutting the diagonals out. So for that, there's a little screw button on here, and I can just lower that down, he says, until I get the correct depth. That's set now to the depth. That's a little bit deep in it. Shut that up a bit. So there we go. We're at the correct depth. So all I do now is turn the camera so I can see it. Get it a bit closer. So all I'm doing is where I've marked it, here and here, here and here, is cut that down loads and loads of times, and then knock that bit out. So here we go, first one. That's the first one. They're cut at the same depth, so it should be a case of just knocking them out. You can knock them out with anything, really. There you go. If you get some of it, won't go, you can cut that in half again.